Recently approved by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, or CSIR, in Pretoria, baobab seed oil is used to help manage various skin conditions, including acne, rashes, and certain fungal infection. The baobab seed oil is extracted through hydraulic pressing of sun-dried baobab seeds, a method that preserves and releases the oil's mineral-rich properties. In South Africa, a significant portion of the population relies on traditional medicine as a primary source of health care, underscoring its cultural importance and accessibility.
There is a need with the Department of Health to fully recognize a traditional or indigenous knowledge system, because that's the system that can help people. And we already started with the Institutes of High Learning and all the innovation centers that we have. We are utilizing those, like your TIA, your CSIR, and the universities, to make sure that this knowledge doesn't get buried, because where we are, the indigenous knowledge system is getting buried.
Some users of the oil have reported positive results after using it to treat certain infections and chronic conditions.
I took it with no expectation because, after being told by dermatologists that it's a natural and it's genetical, I decided, let me just try. Then he gave me a bottle that I just put drops into and mix and ingest, or I rub directly to my skin. So I think it's been 3 weeks that he gave me the first bottle. Surprisingly, I started to see change onto the positions that used to be white. Then you start to see some small developments of color or repigmentation happening, and it's been slowly growing like that in bits and pieces.
So my niece came to visit, the two of my little niece, over the New Year period, and they were swimming and playing around, but it was also sunny. And in the evening I realized they had irritation to their skin, they had the broken skin barrier, they were exposure in their skin. It was peeling a lot, both of them. So I decided, I've got baobab oil, why not apply it to them? I took it and applied it to both their skin, because I know the omega-3, 6, 9 that it's rich in. Then I applied it to them. I'm like, okay, we'll see tomorrow. So in the morning, I realized they were calmer, the skin was better for both of them.
I would say that let's take it back to nature. Let's respect nature. This oil is organic, so why not do it the nature way?
A CSIR technologist says scientific research into traditional medicinal plants can lead to the discovery of new drugs and treatments.
When we're looking at the properties of a baobab, it's flat in smell, it's clear, and when you apply it, it doesn't more like irritate or burn, so it doesn't cause unnecessary sensations. So we use it mainly as a base to formulate most of the product that you see on the shelf life. The only difference with us is that we're using it from the raw seeds, and then we do the whole value chain. We press the seeds using different techniques that are advanced to have better yields. Once that seed is pressed, we have a crude. So that crude we then treat it, and then it becomes clear. That clear crude can then be applied to existing products, or it could also be used to formulate new product from scratch.
A chemist at the University of Limpopo says integrating indigenous knowledge with the formal health sector would be a significant step for both healthcare and academic institutions.
I felt like I can use my skills that I've been trained, even though it was the Western style of training, but we can assist them through my knowledge of drug discovery by assisting them to determine how safe the products are and how effective are for treatment of various ailments. So it's something that I'm very passionate about as an African, and I don't see why we should work against each other while we're trying to solve one common problem, which is good health for the country.
More than 30 residents of Musudi village in the Vembe district are already benefiting from the baobab oil project, as Makhado sources baobab fruits from them. I'm Vutivi Maluleke, SABC News, Polokwane.